So here you have two containers. On the left you will display the list of candidates voting in the Salem MP constituency. So you select one of them and put your vote, and you can see on the right side the new chart with the added vote is newly put. So let's go into making this from the scratch. So okay, so this is the starting scaffolding code. If you in the earlier video we are going to do, first we will draw the bar chart in the table, and next we will use local storage to persist the the number of votes that are cast. So if you refresh the browser, it will not lose the voting information. Then we will add extra thing to parse candidate and party names. We will add a regex for that. So I am clocking in my time. So we are starting now. Let's see how long. You see the timer is running here. Let's see. First we are going to draw the input radio buttons for taking the input vote. Selecting the form in the website. After we have selected the form, we add extra HTML in it. Okay, insert adjacent HTML is you give it the HTML string and you specify where you want to add it, like before the end of the element or after the beginning of the element, there the new element will be added. Okay, now we have added. We will refresh the website and see if the input boxes are added. Okay, you see it is all properly displayed now. Now we will draw the bar charts. that will remove already existing table rows that contain the table bars. So we will select a random color every time we draw the chart. For that we will select a map dot random number and round it to the nearest integer. And also we will convert it into a hex string, and sometimes the number will not be 6-digit long. In that case the color will not be displayed, so we need to make it 6-digit by appending zeros. So 6 is the number of digits, and the second argument is what character you need to append to make it 6 digits. The first column in the table will contain the candidate name, and second will contain a div bar. So the width of the div we are going to display is calculated here as votes map of candidates list of take the number of votes, divide it by the total number of votes and multiply by 100, because we need the percentage to within the percentage terms and round it. And we will add an extra column that will display the number of votes. Okay, now you see the votes for unauthorized is increasing. Now we refresh it, all the changes are gone. The number of votes we have voted for unauthorized has come down. So next we are going to use local storage to persistent this change. Before that we will complete the first task. I am clocking out from this task. Okay, we have taken 12 minutes. Next we will do the next task. I am clocking in. The clock is running here. So for local storage, we will get the element from the local storage. If it is existing, then if it is already stored in the local storage, then it must be as a string. So parse it and assign it to the element. Otherwise, you give it the all the first time you need to set the value explicitly. That is what this is doing here. And after every time you make a change to the voting map count, you need to put it in the local storage. The keys are not displayed properly. We are actually storing the object as it is, but that is not the right thing. When you are putting in the item in the local storage, convert it into a string by json.stringify, and when you are retrieving it back, may use json.parse to convert it into an object. So okay, we have completed this. I am clocking out after 9 minutes. So next we will use regex parsing to take only the here we are showing the candidate name and the party name, but we will use regex to show only the party name. So we will use party regex equal to, we need to capture everything that is sitting inside parents. So if the pattern matches, then you take the first match within the group within the first element that is captured, or you use the name as it is if there is no match. Okay, now you refresh. Okay, I think we have got it. You see that instead of the long party and the candidate name that we used to have, we only get the party name. These are the things for this lecture. I hope you all liked it. So